Here's the Elliott wave forecast for June 2nd, 2011. In the past month or so, it's just been absolutely horrendous. I mean, with a zigzag that failed, had a zigzag that failed, and then another route that failed again, which is I'm still having a hard time believing what I saw today. It's like a train wreck. You're sitting in a train, and then there's a wreck, and you don't even see it coming. It's just unbelievable. I mean literally the market opened up down like slightly and then just went straight down. And this candle is just horrendous. I can't contain myself. I just can't believe what I saw today. I mean, should be ABC then rally and then off to higher highs, right? But no. We have this gigantic candle which just engulfed everything in the past 4 days in S&P. And I don't know if this is the start of a downward 3 or a C back to 1250 in S&P, but in either case, well, the best case scenario, if there is a best case scenario, is that this could be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then a wave 5. And what we need tomorrow is a very mild drop, followed with a hammer, and then you get a hammer there, and then a morning star, hopefully. But this could be the start of something really horrible, and I just don't want to say that because yesterday I had a very bullish video with the setup. I mean, the setup was there. It was perfect. It's ABC setup, and then boom. But this candle alone, this gigantic red candle, could just change everything. I mean, I don't want to say that it's a. I mean, seriously though, this could be wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3 could start down to as low as 1250 in S&P. That is the worst case scenario. But if we get a mild drop tomorrow, the hammer, and then a rally, then that could be it. That could be the bottom. That could be the bottom. But we could be at the bottom, or we could be the start of a downward 3 or C. But I'm just still kind of shocked when it happened today. As you can hear in the tone of my voice, I'm not. You rarely ever see this, and you rarely ever see something like this. I mean, I was like, okay, we're gonna bounce a little bit, right? And then every time I checked, every like 15 minutes I checked, or even like every minute I checked, there was no bounce. I just went literally straight down the entire day. There was no bounces. It was literally this parabolic line down. Anyway, enough of my ranting. For Nasdaq, I mean, we had the setup ABC, boom, and then off to higher highs, right? But no, we have this big, gigantic candle, which is this horrendous candle, which took back the previous 3 days gain practically. And we broke through 0.618 to the downside. So the worst case scenario, well, the best case scenario is that we're near the bottom of this formation, and we get a hammer candle, and we rally back, and then we rally again. And well, we need to rally in 2 days straight, basically, to get out of this. If we don't rally 2 days straight, it's gonna be wave 1, wave 2, and then wave 3, down in 2608 in the Nasdaq. That'd be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, then wave 4, wave 5, and the C wave down. So our flat could actually be a complete flat, which retraces back to the previous A. That is the worst case scenario, but in order to bottom here, we need to rally 2 days straight, 2 or 3 days straight. If we can do that, then we'll probably be fine, hopefully. But these fucking dick faces I just can't believe what happened today. Excuse my language. Whoever turned this on and then just unleash this horrendous sell-off today, I congratulate you because you really pissed me off. And it's just you're sitting there, okay, and you just can't believe what you're seeing. You know. Anyway, train wreck. That's a good way to describe it. All right, the Dow. It actually doesn't look that bad. Dow actually doesn't look that bad. That Dow actually makes me puts a little smile on my face actually. want to look at this because it looks like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. So we could be near a bottom. And the RSI is near 30. Wow. Oh, wow. So the Dow actually is a sigh of relief when I look at this. Because it could be 5 waves down, and that could be it. And so we need to rally 2 days straight, basically. 2 or 3 days straight until the end of the week. Candle, hammer, boom, rally. If we can do that, then we probably could be out of the woods. It's a wrap.